Back to the channel. Welcome back to Midlife Crisis. This is Craig. You're probably wondering why I'm standing in the middle of my empty garage. I am going to be doing the first in a stage of upgrades to the garage to make it a better place to keep the cars. So we're going to be doing a full epoxy of the garage floor to include a brand new color scheme that I'm excited to show you guys. Get it clear coated. We'll start with getting the surface prep today. Please remember that if you like videos like this to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Flakes. Yeah. I don't think they heard me. I don't think they heard me the first time. I gotta say it again for him. I ain't felt this good in a minute. Own it, I ain't tryna rent it. It feel like it's third down, so I'ma stiff farm like I'm Emmett Smith. Yeah, I'm going in, baby. Yeah, I'm tryna win, baby. Yeah, you know the biz, baby. Yeah, you know the biz, baby. The way we win, it ain't fair. But ask, do I care? Do I care? I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want, yeah that's right, yeah that's right. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. Left, right, yeah. Bring out the conga, bring out the bass, bring out the L. I got the chase, I got the gold, all of my necklace and a smile. You can't erase. It's the window circle over here. We like to wild out and get weird. We like to put our hands in the sky, yeah, and show the world that we here. The way we living, it's so rare. But ask, do I care? Do I care? I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want, yeah that's right, yeah that's right. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing.
So what's the trick to knowing how much to throw where? Just stay balanced?
I don't like to see any wet spots.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that way I know I can't see the base color. I can't see the wet spot. So,
If you really wanna party, then let's get it started, yeah. Let's do it tonight, huh? If you really wanna know how I do my thing, I'ma show you. Yeah, that's right. On the left side, on the right side. Put your hands way in the sky, on the right side, on the left side. Do what you can to do. Here we go. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want. Yeah, that's right, yeah, that's right. I'ma just
Next day.
do my thing, do my thing. Do my thing, do my thing. Do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. Do my thing, do my thing.
24 hours later.
Well, here we are. We're all finished with the garage. Let me take you on a quick tour of our first change in the garage, our first customization, and what I hope to be my dream garage when we're all done. So we went with a black, blue, gray, and white flake with a clear coat epoxy, and it looks absolutely incredible, has a great shine to it. We did the stairs, we did all of the concrete up to the baseboard linings. So the entire garage, all 900 square feet, got completed. It absolutely looks beautiful. I'm extremely happy with what Texas Decorative Coatings did on the garage. Now we have a proper place to park the cars, and they're going to look spectacular against this floor. Thank you for everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the process of learning what it takes to do an epoxy on your concrete garage floors. If you like this video, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.